The White Hatter Medallion is a community service program initiative where we recognize those who've reached out to us seeking help for a friend that resulted in a significant intervention and possibly a life-saving experience. Given the thousands of students we have presented and broadcasted to across North America, it's not uncommon for these students to reach out to us and connect in some way online to further ask questions. Most of the time, these are simple answer responses, but at times, students have reached out to us because they find themselves or a friend in a dangerous online situation. In those cases where students are looking to help a friend or even a stranger in great need, we send those youth a token of our appreciation for their service to help us make the world a safer, better place. Each medallion is uniquely numbered, emphasizing the special importance and the story behind it. We obviously do not publish the names and exact details behind every awarded medallion out of respect, but if you see any of our coins, know the importance of what they signify and how there is a story behind every one. Launched in celebration of our organization's 25-year anniversary, we want to recognize those tweens, teens, and young adults who go that extra mile to help others. These two-sided, individually numbered medallions has the White Hat logo on the front, with the back having a black and white ribbon, signifying internet safety and digital literacy, plus the Latin phrase, Semper Ibi, which means always there. Is a commitment we make to everyone who participates in our programs. If you need help and you don't know where to turn to, you can connect with us and we can be there to help those and guide those in need of that help when it comes to safety, privacy, and digital literacy. Recipients of this recognition are humble digital sheepdogs that walk among us, at times a protector and at other times a mentor. We are excited about this project and we want to recognize others who themselves have become White Hatters. This is a way for us to say thank you to these tweens, teens, and young adults. And for their efforts, we wish to recognize these extraordinary and outstanding people by presenting them with the White Hatter Medallion.